So thank you so much. I would only open with immense gratitude, to Swami Ji, for bringing the ancient wisdom to our knowledge, and हम योग अभ्यास करते हैं, like I have been doing, and since I mentioned earlier that I had my spine surgery about 3.5 months back, and it was very difficult for me because there was stiffness in the body, and I could not exert much. There were many do's and don'ts, and I was little apprehensive कि मैं ये कर पाऊंगी या नहीं कर पाऊंगी. So that was the main concern, and candidly, I did join the 21 days challenge, and uh, शुरू में लगता था कि ओ माय गॉड कि ये कैसे होगा, ऐसे होगा या नहीं होगा. But then I realized that there was so much of inner discipline, that was taking place. Initially, one would say that इतना extra time लग रहा है, why we are doing so much. Every day there is one more step, that is being introduced. But then we were investing in our energy and in our time, and it was like a inner transformation, I can say now, looking back, it was inner transformation that took place along with inner discipline, or mental and physical well-being तो हुआ ही है. Like I lost 2 kg of weight. शुरू में मैं जो बॉडी मेरी स्टिफ थी, टेंस थी, काफी कुछ मैं नहीं कर पा रही थी. But by the third week, I could sit cross-legged of course, on the bed, and I could almost do 80% of all the exercises, yeah, whatever the practices that were being introduced. And why it was possible also, because of the mentors and the follow-up that happened every single day. Like हर सुबह हमें WhatsApp मैसेज आता था कि आज का ये वर्क है, एंड प्लीज रिपोर्ट. तो जब हम किसी भी चीज को रिपोर्ट करते हैं, तो इट इज नॉट ओनली रिपोर्टिंग टू योर मेंटर, इट इज रिपोर्टिंग टू योरसेल्फ आल्सो कि yes, whether I have done it or I have not done it. So it is basically upgrading your internal system. What I think mainly, जो कि मैं see, I am at the age of 70 plus 75, so to say. So at this age, me coping up, I have built up on my coping mechanism, and ये एक्चुअली प्राण शक्ति मिली है एक, जहाँ की पहले मैं ब्रेथलेस होती थी, मेरी बॉडी स्टिफ थी. Now, I don't get breathless. I have been going for my walks and my everyday swim, and 21 दिन के बाद मैंने इसको छोड़ा नहीं है. The main thing is, Ganga always telling us that, listen to your body, don't push, enjoy. So these 3 words were my takeaway, कि हर एक की body is different, your self dynamic is different. तो listen to your body, जहाँ रुकना चाहिए रुक जाओ, don't push yourself too much कि ये नहीं कि वो कर रहा है. Of course that जो ग्रुप की कॉम्पिटिटिव स्पिरिट आ गई थी कि वो कर सकती है तो मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकती, but it's been amazing, and it's actually a transformative process जो कि हुआ है, and I'm so grateful. I lost weight, I have been more energetic, and I have been more disciplined also. और मैं उस 21 दिन के बाद जो पहले सेम प्रोसेस हम रेपिटेटिव कर रहे थे, अब अगर इन अ सिंगल डे आई एम डूइंग फॉर 30 minutes also, I feel the same effect which I felt during that 21 days. So thank you so much. I think it is investment for the lifetime, and we should all do it because it's an amazing foundation to lay whatever stage of life you are. But I would suggest everyone that don't miss on it. It's amazing. Thank you so much.